I'm looking at this reinstatement letter from the Nevada DMV and it feels like I lost a bet. It says I need SR22 insurance to get my license back. Is that some kind of special high roller policy I have to buy? We need to talk about SR22 insurance in Nevada.
It feels like a gamble, but it isn't. That's the biggest myth in Nevada. And SR22 isn't a separate luxury policy. It's simply a certificate of financial responsibility. It's just a document your insurance company files with the state's DMV to prove you're covered.
Okay, so it proves I'm covered, but what are the limits? I know the house always wins, so I assume they are high?
Actually, they're pretty standard. To satisfy the state, you just need to meet the minimum liability limits: $25,000 for bodily injury per person, $50,000 per accident, and $20,000 for property damage.
That $20,000 property limit is specific to Nevada, isn't it?
It is. Most states are different. And here's the other specific Nevada rule. If you let your coverage lapse, the penalties are tiered. The longer you go without insurance, the higher the reinstatement fee, starting at $250 and going way up from there.
That is a slippery slope, but what if I don't even own a car right now? Do I still have to pay a full policy just to get this certificate filed?
No, and that's the ace up your sleeve. You should ask for non-owner SR22 insurance. It covers you when you drive a borrowed car or a rental. It satisfies the DMV requirement so you can legally drive, but it's usually much cheaper than insuring a car you don't even have.
That is a huge win, but I can't file this myself, right?
No, you cannot file it yourself. Your insurer has to do it electronically. They typically charge a small filing fee, $15 to $50. But remember, you usually have to keep this active for 3 years.
You need a company that handles the filing quickly and keeps your 3-year clock running smoothly.
Click our quote button, handle the filing, reclaim your license. That's the cheapinsurance.com difference.